It's sour.
Orange.
Orange. Oh. So,
No, it's orange.
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 Orange. Ah, I see. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pas gracias. Thank you. So, ayan guys, yung orange guys. Ang daming orange. So, hindi pala siya pwedeng kainin. Ah, pwede siyang kainin, pero ang ano niya, ang tawag nito, napaka maasim. Tingnan mo yung orange guys. Ang daming orange guys. Oh. Napalibutan ng orange dito. Oh my God. Look at that guys. Then yung swimming pool. So, yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to another vlog. Tikman natin yung ang orange nila. Let's go. Michelle. Ito yung orange yan. Ano yung camera ko mo? Wait lang. Yan yung orange. Gali ka siya. Kaya nag-ikot-ikot kami. Ayan. Napapahinga pa yung asawa ko. Kasi pagod. Alika siya. Dali siya. I want to try. Look at the orange guys. Look. Try nga natin to. Yung maliit lang. Ayan yung orange. So ayan yung mga orange guys. Oh. Ang dami talagang orange dito guys. Ayan oh. Ang daming orange. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, see? Try natin to. Pwede ba itong kunin? Siya. Uy! Oh, I want to try this one guys. Okay? Stepping on the orange guys. This one is, I saw the small one. Are you filming? Tingnan natin yung orange guys ha. Nagtipalap tayo. Tingnan na natin. Asim.
Can I try?
You try. Hold on. You wanna try? Okay, you wanna try? Okay, you want to try? Oh yeah, it's against the lights. Go.
Okay.
Okay. Try. Is it sweet?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Is it so? Okay, is it good?
Okay, that was that.
Okay, guys. I think we're gonna call it. Yeah, it's not sweet. It's sour. Well, let's go. So, magmuni-muni muna kami dito, guys. Tapos na tayo sa pag-taste ng orange na to. Yung orange nila ay hindi matamis. Mura siyang iba. Asluma. Lamig siya sa tea. So, ayan guys.